Hey, what up? This is Conscience, and I'm going to show you guys how to open up your NAT for Halo. So the first thing you want to do is go to your internet browser. It can be any, doesn't really matter. Okay, now the website you ever want to go to is 192.168.1.1, and if that is not going to work for me, so if that doesn't work, then type in 192.168.2.1, and one of them you should get access to your router settings. By the way, your PC does have to be connected to your router, and so does your Xbox, obviously. So here we go. Now, what you want to do is find the virtual servers. It might also say port forwarding, but yeah, if you can't find virtual servers, try find port forwarding. Once you click on virtual servers, what you want to do is add. We're only going to be working on 3 servers here. Well, yeah. So the first server you want to create is, just call it XBL or XBL1. It doesn't matter. You can have 3 though for your Xbox Live. The inbound port wants to be 88. The type wants to be UDP. The private IP address needs to be what you typed in here, but replace the last number, which is always going to be a 1, with 50. So that's so at the top we typed in 192.168.2.1. Down here we're going to type in 192.168.2.50. Usually it will only let you change the last number anyway. And the private port's 88. Now for the second Xbox Live, we want to have the inbound port as 3074. Type is UDP again. Private IP address ending in 50, and the private port 3074. The last one wants to be inbound port 3074 again. This time change the type to TCP. It's important that you have it as TCP. The private IP address has to run in 50, and the private port's 3074 again. Now that should be fine. My router let me add Bungie.net automatically. I don't think that actually helps. You don't need to add that. So next you want to find DMZ. Now for your DMZ you want to basically have your IP end in 50 again. So you pretty much just what we did there. So that's the web address you entered, but ending in 50 instead of 1. And make sure you enable it. Some routers you have to enable it and then type it. Make sure you apply the changes after all this, by the way. Now that's everything you need to do on the PC. So yeah, you can work on that on the Xbox from here.